Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how much does fried rice cost per serving. First of all, I'm going to show you how to make easy fried rice. Okay, we need to get our vegetable prepared first. The first ingredient, we need 2 medium-sized carrots, a cup of frozen peas, a cup of frozen corn, and 3 cups of cold rice. I actually cooked the rice yesterday and I left it in the fridge overnight. We also need 3 egg yolks. Mix them well. Three tablespoons in the hot pan. Now we're gonna cook those vegetables first. A teaspoon onion powder, a teaspoon garlic powder, and 2 teaspoons chicken bouillon powder. I personally don't eat that much of salt, so because I use a chicken bouillon powder, I didn't add any extra salt. But if you feel like it's not salty enough in the end, you can always add like a teaspoon salt or a tablespoon soy sauce. Okay, I cooked these vegetables around 5 minutes until all of them tender, then add the rice into it. Gently mix them together. Remember, we actually had those egg yolk coating on the rice, so it took another 3-4 minutes until it's done. Alright, here we go. 3 serving fried rice. Easy and delicious. How simple is that? I did add a little bit of green onions on the top of the rice. Just give it a little bit nutty flavor, and I think it make it looks better too. Now we're gonna talk about how much does fried rice cost per serving. Yesterday I made a video talk about how much cost per cup of rice. If you are interested, you can go check it out. I used 3 cups of rice today, so the rice part cost around 30 cents. The carrots, I used 2 medium-sized carrots. They're about 8 ounces. The carrots cost around 33 cents. I bought frozen corns and peas from Walmart yesterday. They're the same price. Each of them cost around 33 cents per cup. Okay, last ingredient is egg. I used 3 egg yolks, but I still count I used 3 eggs. Total cost me around $0.468. Okay, now we're gonna add all those prices together. Well, I did add some oil and spice price in there too, around 50 cents. So the total for 3 servings of fried rice, the price is $2.26. Not even $1 per serving. It's pretty cheap. Okay, thanks for watching today's video. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe. And let me know if you're interested about any price of food ingredients or how much cost of certain meal. Please leave a comment below and let me know what you think. See you next time.